My name is Ian and welcome to Planted. Now, I've relied on YouTube for many years to share with you my horticultural knowledge. But I've got something I want to share with you that I think is very important and very exciting. I'm English, I live in America, I've been here since 2000. I've just finished my 42nd year in the ornamental horticultural industry. I started off in England, I went through college and designed and built gardens in England. Then got the chance to work on an expedition cruise ship, lecturing in horticulture, and that eventually brought me to the US in 2000. Since 2000, I've worked on huge estates in Connecticut, head of horticulture for a developer, a specialist buyer for a huge garden center and landscape operation in the Hamptons in Long Island. I've also been national trainer for Monrovia growers. So my experience and plant knowledge has just continued to grow over the years, and 4 decades is quite substantial. Very proud of what I've done, very proud of what I've experienced, delighted to share it with you. Now, on the Planted with Ian Cook YouTube channel, there's over 250 videos featuring all sorts of information relevant to specific times of the year and relevant to my little courtyard that I grow in the southeast corner of Connecticut. Now, this is a very, very interesting opportunity for me. It's a very, very small garden, so I don't have hundreds and hundreds of plants. The plants I select have to be really pristine, very, very special, and deliver something completely out of the ordinary. And I think that's what I've done. And here I am now going to get to the point that I want to share with you. I don't expect you to go and watch 250 videos on my YouTube channel. Of course, you are most welcome to. But what I have noticed is that YouTube is filled with so much information, it can be very difficult to find what you want at the time that you want it and have it delivered in a way that makes sense. So what I've done is I've come up with the Planted Masterclass. This is a paid-for course, and it is specifically designed to capture 5 subjects that are all interlinked and explain them to you with a very clear beginning, middle, and an end. Now, who's this masterclass for? Well, it's for residential homeowners, it's for landscape contractors, it's for design professionals and landscape architects. Anybody that wants to do more with plants. What I think sets this apart is that it's very, very focused. The first 5 modules that make up Tier 1 feature the year at a glance. This is a calendar that I will explain on how you can develop it so that it's got just the information that you want. It's just relevant to your experience, your climate, your property, and your resources. It doesn't have any extra tasks in there. It's made just for you. So that's the year at a glance, and that's one of the modules. We've then got plant selection, which is one of my absolute favorite subjects. Rather than just having plain old, mundane, somewhat reliable, widely available plants, you can really mix it up and choose something a little bit more special that's just as tough, just as reliable, but even more beautiful. And it may be that you like certain colors, or you want certain leaf shapes, or maybe you want fragrance. We go through it all. So that's plant selection. We've then got the science of soil. Now, if you can get soil working for you, it's a bit of an insurance policy that your plants will thrive. So there's a module specifically written on how you can improve your soils. We've then got the magical art of adding water to your garden. And this has the snappy name of hydration, watering, and irrigation. And those 3 areas are very, very different, and they all mean different things to different people. But at the end of it, you'll understand how it's not the application of water that makes a difference, it's the access to the water that you've applied. Very, very important. And finally, our last module is planting. Now, it's planting in the ground and it's planting in a pot, but it's planting specifically for plants that are going to live outside, where they get natural rainfall, they get sunshine, and they also get a breeze blowing through the foliage. So these 5 modules, and I'm sure you can understand this, are all connected. One relies on another. And if you are to become a really good horticulturalist and have success with plants, these 5 core skills are very, very important to you. It doesn't matter if you're an experienced gardener, an intermediate, or you're a novice just starting out. The way these modules have been written are to achieve a number of things. It might be that you're aware of some of the points I want to share with you. Well, that's good. It reinforces that practice as something that is valuable and viable that you should continue doing. Most likely, it will point out something that you are not doing that you should. That's very straightforward. That's just easy education. But there's that little bit in the middle where you know you should be doing something, but you don't. And this is that nudge to get you to do a number of things in your planting experience to a higher caliber and a higher quality. And it really does make a difference. Now, what you're going to find with this course is that you'll need to get yourself a notebook. You're going to have lots of information come to you from different modules and different thought processes. It's really important that you get it all down in one area. So do get yourself a garden calendar, a garden book. It can be old-fashioned chicken scratch, or it could be something on a Google Doc. It doesn't matter. But this is where you're going to collect all the information for your garden to help you make better decisions. When it comes to gardening, we are faced with hundreds and hundreds of cheats, tips, tricks, and workarounds. Things that somebody somewhere decided was something that we should do at a certain time to bring about a certain outcome. And as an industry professional, I'm constantly amazed at this relentless list of these checklists that somehow you're supposed to remember. And if I could just encourage you to go back to simple, basic horticulture, that is what will win through. And that's what Tier 1 is all about. Now, the 5 videos, you can do them in any order. I would encourage you to do the video that is of most interesting first. Watch that, take some notes, really understand it before you move on to the other videos. But you are now got 2.5 hours of horticultural instruction at your fingertips that spread out over these 5 modules. Very palatable, very easy to understand, and very, very easy to apply. And the way that I finish this course off, this Tier 1 course with the 5 modules, is that at the end of each module, there are 5 simple takeaways. These are the 5 points that are distilled that I want you to remember on a daily and monthly basis so that you can use them. So Tier 1, 5 modules, each with 5 takeaways. And because I've chosen these 5 subjects, they're all interconnected and they really will have you growing plants with more success. So what can you expect? If you take on this course, what is it that you will experience? The first thing is you'll be a lot more strategic. You'll start to schedule your work to align with the seasons and align with plant availability and planting and watering. And that will mean that your plants, rather than falling into the buy and die trap, it'll be buy and thrive. And I think all of us want that. The next thing you'll understand is that your money goes a lot further. Your budget, it could be $30, it could be $300, it could be $3,000. Whatever your budget, you'll be able to buy plants, get them in the ground, and have them thrive, not just this year, but next year and the year after. And I think that will be a benefit to all of us. And ultimately, growing plants should be rewarding. And I'm still delighted to this day when I go outside and see plants that do their thing as if by magic without a huge amount of inputs from me. So that's it. Please look at the description for a link to the Planted Masterclass. Very happy, very proud to share this with the YouTube world. You can buy this for yourself and you can study it for yourself. It may be that you know of somebody that's a keen gardener and you could even buy this course for them. It's all on the checkout page where you just buy it as a gift and it'll be sent to the recipient of your choice. So this is a gardening course, Tier 1, the Planted Masterclass, 5 modules. My name is Ian. Thank you so much.